If you've scrolled through social media, especially on Instagram, you've seen them. Overhead shots full of pretty props, organized and arranged by color, shape, size, or angle. These images are most commonly called flat lay photos. They're an assortment of objects arranged on a flat surface. They are beautiful and the style is popular. They're perfect for mom bosses, hobbyists, photographers, and really anyone who wants to explore their creative side. As is true with any art form, the more you know about it, the more you practice it, the better you get. And that is what this course is all about. It's about teaching you the basics, whether you're a seasoned photographer or a beginner with a smartphone. My name is Brooke Lark, and I shoot flat lays for big-named companies, and I am here to help you harness the essentials so that you can create the kind of flat lays guaranteed to grow your online empire.